Chenro mar kawo pach jopiny ewi chike mag choko osuru dhi mbele e kar romo mar KICC. Jokanyo moting'o riwruog okinde mar LSK, riwruog jolos mwandu e kind mamoko chiwo pachgi ewi parono mar chik ma giwacho ni nigi fuonni mabeyo kod mamoko maricho. Wawinjane kaka chenrono dhi mbele.
I don't know where you get these jokes from, but I've also learned over the years they rotate around a particular subject. Anyway, Safaricom, introduce yourself and go through the process.
Okay, good afternoon, Chair and Honorable Committee members. My name is Cynthia Koech, representing Safaricom. I'm here supported by PricewaterhouseCoopers, so I'll start with Edward.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chair. I'm Edward Paranta, tax support for Safaricom.
Good afternoon, Chair and members. My name is Edna Getasho, supporting Safaricom.
Good afternoon, Chair and members. Michael Wachinga, supporting Safaricom.
Good afternoon, Chair and members of the committee. Sidi Makoti, supporting Safaricom.
Maybe, Mr. Chairman, hold on. What is his name? Barat, please come back. We do not want to a lady in the room felt offended by the joke you made. And especially with all these going cases of femicide, we need to be extremely careful with the words that you use, where it can be used in a different context and becomes very, the damage can be. So I think it's important you be on record saying that you withdraw that, so that it's not part of the conversation that we had this meeting.
Sorry, Chair, I am sorry, and I withdraw what I had said last. And I apologize. Unconditionally, okay. All right, thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Brad. Proceed.
Okay, thank you very much for giving us this opportunity every other year. So I will not go into the introduction of who Safaricom is, but this afternoon we are happy to have this opportunity to make submissions or comments to the amendment bills. So we'll be making two presentations, one which was not in the amendment bills, and the other one will be making comments on a proposal that was in the amendment bills. So going to page 9, okay, page 8, the one that was not, and maybe just to give a background, our proposals are actually aimed at ensuring that we provide affordable telephone services to our customers, either through incentives that are given to us as a business or reduction in taxes, and we will explain that. So I'll hand it over to Edna, who will take us through the first proposal, which is on spectrum licenses. But before maybe she comes on board, I just want to mention that as a business, we normally invest in spectrum licenses that are issued by the Communications Authority of Kenya, the CA. So we normally would either invest in new spectrum licenses, like more recently we've invested in the 5G based on changes or technological improvements. But then, of course, for the 2G, 3G, and 4G, which would normally have about 10 years, every so often, once the license period lapses, we then invest in a renewal in the licenses. So I'll hand it over to Edna to just take us through the proposal.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So we are looking at the proposal on page number 9 of the Safaricom presentation. So we can all go there. And probably before we even get to this, I just want to explain how we determine, sorry, Let me just show that.
Mana kamano nyako Ramogi mano chenro mar kao pach oganda jopiny kotenore koda weche mag juogo jopiny osuru mabende pod dhi nyime waluoni goyo makare kendo wang'ne wakelni gogo dhiambo kod kuku mare. E weche mamoko en Jokenya pod medo loyo omenda kokalo e tugo mar Shabiki Super Jackpot ka jaloch manyien en Michael Ochieng mawuok Kisumu. Ochieng oloyo omenda maromo Sh100,000 bang' yudo duoko 13 ewi 15 mag tuke mane oketo. Ochieng ma jagin 28 wacho ni dhi tiyo gi omenda no e bugo ohande mar wang'o chuma e kar dak Mariat, kaunti ma Kisumu ka ojiwo Jokenya mondo dhi nyime gi tugo. Jotugo sani nigi thuolo mar loyo mich e tok nyiriri machuok kokalo e tugo mar Shabiki Super Jackpot.